Wrist fracture alert. Distal radius fracture. A wrist break from falls or impacts. Your wrist needs help fast. Spot the signs. Pain, swelling, bruising, or a crooked wrist? Don't wait. These scream distal radius fracture. Fix it right. Dr. Pedro Loredo, hand surgeon, resets bones or performs surgery like ORIF, open reduction internal fixation, for perfect healing. Back to action. Act fast for best recovery. Book with Dr. Loredo for expert care. Your wrists deserve it. Dr. Pedro Loredo, hand surgeon. Book now. Fell hard. Make an appointment with Dr. Loredo ASAP.